Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make armor in Minecraft, all the way from leather to diamond. So let's get straight into the video. So let's start off with leather. You want a crafting table. You want leather, of course. And let's start. So go to your crafting table. Then use your leather to make this little structure for a cap. This little structure for a boot, this letter structure for a chest plate, and then this letter structure for a leather pant. So it is as simple as that for leather. Let's go to iron now. For iron, it's the same thing. So this for your helmet. Then you want to do this for your chest plate. Then you want to do this for your leggings. And then finally this for your boots. Now it's the same thing with gold. So there you go. There's your helmet. There's your chest plate. There's your pants. And finally, there's your boots. And now the final armor of it all. Here's your helmet. Here's your chest plate. Finally, here's your leggings. And now here's your boots. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.